abantu bayadlula estradeni sebabiza abantwana bami ukuthi ayozani izani nekiriva nizofaka umameni kwikiriva yabo lo muntu akuna medication esimnike yona akuna next. If it was up to us besizokhipha umphefumulo because there's no akusekho umuntu at the very same day ozongcwatshwa ngayo ugirl bekazolala eroomini lakho alali free ke manje. We understand athi kimi I hope uyayithola message so makwenzakala an argument between mina naye I can see myself I'm the first one to react, I'm the first one ofuna ukusukumisa isandla, all of those things yabona azathi bebangeke bazi ukuthi ungithathile wangise police station or naye udecide ukuthi yo nasi situfuza simile estradeni nje so let me go nam and do whatever.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and I am your guest for today. Guys, you guys are very close to my heart. I'm really so very grateful for, the people that you are, wherever you are, whoever you are. I really appreciate you for doing whatever it is that you're doing, which you and I both know Guti and Zanetebek, because I get such positive feedback from my guests. I get such positive feedback from you guys as a community. And it's something that just, is very close to my heart. And I'd really just like to thank you guys for making this show what it is right now. This show is a painful, experience. It's a painful thing to watch. It's a sad thing to experience. If you tap into this show, you will know that the episodes that we feature are very emotional. They are touching. And these are things that we don't wish to happen to anyone. On the previous episode that we posted, we were speaking about a guy who was in gangsterism and a lot of that sort of experience in crime and whatever. I just want to send out a disclaimer is that we do not condone these criminal activities that he was sharing. And we really just are grateful for the person that he's become. And we're happy about the journey that he's undergoing now. Another thing that I want to say to anyone who's watching is that if you feel that you want to sit with me and share your story, please don't hesitate to contact the number next to me so that you can be able to, share so that we can all learn and grow. But without wasting time, guys, this is part 2 of a long-awaited episode. We've got this Norms again back in studio. Her intro was so long. She gave me so many names. I just chose Norms. That's a nice one. I'll keep that one. Sis Norms, how are you doing?
I'm good and you?
I'm okay. Thank you so much for yet again coming back for another update because the last one was very hectic. I was like, hey, let me listen. I don't want to jump in too much. But I wanted to know, Guti, from your experience, Mopo Mala, what happened on your end, because I keep talking about what they do and I hardly have part 2, so it would be good for us to jump into what happened on your side.
Okay. Ngiyabonga futhi ubuya. It's a great opportunity again. After sengiphumile, I received ama messages as much as ngashiya ama numbers. I received ama messages like, hey sisi kunjani? I saw your episode with Hope Revolution.
Okay.
And I'm like, it's happening. Bayakhuluma abantu, and then some of them are saying bayasaba. So they decided to contact me privately. And I reassured them that whatever esikhulumayo, it will stay between mina nabo.
Okay.
And ngiyangijabulisa ukuthi we do have abantu abalandelayo ama podcast, and one day they will come out nabo and share in public. You understand it? Because if ungakaze ushare, you feel like ukuthi I need someone first to talk to ozonginika that hope. And I always say to them, whenever ufisa ukukhuluma nami, I'm always going to be there for you.
Yeah.
And if I didn't answer you ngaleso sikhathi leso, it doesn't mean that I'm avoiding you. There are a lot of things engizenzayo, but immediately masengihleli sengichecka iphone yami, I'll be like, oh okay, this one needs ukuthi ngimphendule. And another thing engirealizile, I need another phone again because le iyakhathala. So I feel like I need enye iphone ekuzoba nje izinto engizisebenzayo kuphela.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Because I'm busy ngezinto eziningi.
Okay.
Sometimes I even forget about myself. Sometimes I even forget about my kids.
Yo.
Mangiphumile ngibuya, I'm tired.
Okay.
You understand? I'm tired. Like today I received a call from my younger sister saying, umuntu angazafe.
Yeah.
Awuhlali wena noma umuntu ekufonela. And I'm like, no, sometimes mangiphumile I forget about the phone. Ngifuna uconcentrate kulento engisuke ngikuyo because it needs my full attention. Yeah, understand. So I felt like I need another phone. That's my wish.
Yeah.
Angiyazi ngizoyitholaphi, but I feel like ukuthi I need another phone. So the response is being nice, and I just want to say big up to you guys for ukusiza abanye abantu. And let me tell you, abantu bayamamela and don't give up. Then there will be those negative comments and what. I don't entertain negative comments. And I've got a shock of my life when somebody angithumela a TikTok video only to find out ukuthi I didn't do an interview nalo mfana loyo. His name is Karabo Nkuna. I contacted him, like I wanted to know ukuthi how did you come across this and wenza kanjani i-content nge-video nge-interview yami ngizozikhulumela mina. Usithatha kanjani i-story sami njengoba sinjalo and make it ngathi uwe osenzile. Now I feel like he's taking the credit engathi uye on interview. I don't know him. Ngamfonela azanga responde using WhatsApp call ne call. And then wangifonela back. Already that time bese ngikwatile vele ukuthi, and I said to him, why ungangicilanga? Because ama number am ngwashiyile uzwe kimi ukuthi do I agree or what. And he gave me an attitude. And uma ngene page lakhe I can see ukuthi ziningi izitori ezisensitive azithathile ezabantu without i-concern yomuntu. Wenza kanjani i-content ngestory somuntu esibhlungu? Angithi masishare izitori zethu is another way of us of healing. We understand ukuthi ngizwile ubuhlungu, now I feel like ukuthi kumele ngiyikhulume. He gave me an attitude saying, no, you wouldn't understand. Ngathi no, mina the only thing that I'm saying to you right now, ngicela udelete my video. And mangithula ngibheka if that video ebesiyenzile bese ku 1 million viewers. And mangicheka amanye, I'm like ama viewers akhona bewasese phansi. Le eyami within days neyikhiphile bese
it was very
and ngangena ku TikTok page like he blocked me. Even nakuleyo, like he blocked me everywhere. And I was like, akana sympathy for abanye abantu. Yena ubheke whatever money ezongena kuye. Because in one of the comments somebody ubuzile ukuthi which podcast is this before angiblock. And ngabhala ukuthi i-podcast is Hope Revolution. Unfortunately uguy angimazi, azange ngenze anything naye. Ngathi anyone who wishes ukuthi akhulume nami angibuze angakhona ukuthi angifonele or angene kwimi ku WhatsApp. So to tell you the honest truth, I'm angry at him using izitori zabanye abantu so that azothola ama likes and what. I'm really angry at him. And isifiso sami before angiblocker, it was maybe athi kimi, okay, can I interview you?
Okay.
You understand? Can I interview you? Send another interview. Because remember, my big interviewer, angeke ukhuluma into efanayo always. The statement is izochinja but meaning same thing. We understand. And Okarabo Nkuna, KNN.
Yeah.
Yeah, KNN network, something like that. Yeah,
I think also when I saw it, I think we tried to reach out on one occasion where we said Uguti, personally, because we want to give a platform to our guests so that they can open up. It's not a headache for you to repost the story and promote it. But if you can practically check, he tries to sort of cut out any sort of traffic coming back to you in that way, because also to us as well, because he strategically crops out all the logos and he doesn't even tag the guest or the viewer or the platform, and he just uses that content. So it's purely for likes. So it has no impact. If someone is going through the same situation that you went through and they want to connect with you, it's going to be very difficult for that person to actually get the help that they need, considering how he does what he does. Now, Mina, my main challenge is usizabani, because our intention is to actually connect people so that they can help each other.
Yes.
So now, if you don't integrate that connection, or at least for me, it would have been better. Sis Noms went through a lot. Maybe you might be going through the same thing. Guys, lalelani story sakhe, nama contact details wakhe wakhona. That for me would have been actually a lot of justice, because umuntu okhalayo can be able to say, no man, ngimtholile usisi, ungisizile kakhulu, so that I can introspect and so manje, when you cut out the creators of the content and you cut out their platforms and you just want to own their content without giving them credit, that's a big headache for me. That was the one turn off. But I think if he's watching, personally, my message to him would be to say, you're doing good work. The unfortunate thing that you're doing is that you're not giving credit where it's due. Change that. Give people credit where it's due, because at the end of the day, you are promoting the stories that we're sharing. If it's a snippet, it's okay, but send people where the full story is. And also, if possible, connect, leave some contact details, leave a handle, leave a hashtag or something that will drive people to the full story so that they can get the gist of what you are doing. For me, I think umlayezo wami ingaba uloyo ukuthi change the way you're doing things so that it has impact. Right now, the only impact it probably has is to only him, because he gets the views and the likes and his account is growing. But how is that helping anyone? Yeah, I think that's my feeling. Otherwise, personally, I only have a challenge with people that would download the full episode and repost it as their own. That's a problem for me. If you're highlighting the story and you're promoting it and you're showing people hints of what the actual episode has, beautiful. I'm all for that. Go there, cut out a section like he did. I think it's around 7 or 8 minutes. Cut out a section, promote happiness, but give credit.
And in Tebhlongo, ngithema ngiyichecka, this is not the only episode ayithathile from Gene, guys. And ngithema ngiqeda ukuyithola, I contacted uPapi, like asking him ukuthi, do you know this guy? Nisebenzisana naye na? Before him contact. Then Papi Makebuya Kim said, no, asimazi. But okay, it means ukuthi uzenzele into yakhe. Yabona, if uPapi mhlambe bekathe siyamazi, bengizothula ngithi okay, inasebenzisana naye. Maybe it's another way of promoting or share a story. So that made me furious, I don't wanna lie. Iye yangikwatisa ukuthi uyithatha kanjani icredit yomsebenzi womunye umuntu. It means ukuthi, in other words, uyisigebengu, uyayithief.
No, that's
And uzubhalile lapha na ku TikTok ukuthi sensitive stories. We understand udlala kanjani ngempilo yomunye umuntu ebikade ibhlungu. Acknowledge abantu abayenzile, bonga as much as ushilo ukuthi asho man ukuthi she went through a lot. Now if you are going through that, this is the person okumele ukhulume naye. We understand. And luckily usisi ushareile nama numbers akhe. Listen, yabona akhathe la akhatha khona. That's
True.
it. because some of the answers, some of the questions abambuza wona, he can't even answer them because he doesn't know anything. So iye yangikwatisa and ngiyabonga ukuthi senze this so that izofikelela ebantwini ukuthi this is not what we want. We understand. Angaz promote ngamandla abanye abantu.
Yeah.
And if it happens ukuthi aze ahlangane nayo this, he can call me and ask me for an interview. I would give it to him.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
No, thank you so much. I personally think Uguti, your story it's a very uplifting and enlightening one, because you know the beauty of a story is in its transition. If you are just, you wake up tomorrow, ubambi loto, you're suddenly successful, there's nothing for anyone to learn there. Why? Because you just woke up and you got to where you were. But the beauty is when you have learned from the lessons that you have gone through, when you have introspected on what life had to sort of teach you. So looking at your story, as I did say, Uguti, I had a lot of questions with regards to how you unpacked it. But I wanted to maybe dive into your perspective, you know, on your journey, Uguti. Let's do a deep dive. What have you learned? As manje njengobuhleli you can be able to open up. What really have you learned? Mobheke emuva. Ufundeni nje about yourself and about the whole scenario.
Okay, into engiyifundile, you can experience izinto ezibhlungu, ezimbi, but the more uhlala wenza the introspection, that is when uzothi this is the life engazange ngizifisele yona mangikhula. Ngakhona ukuyichange impilo yami. Ngithathe whatever happened to me ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyikhuluma, ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyi-overcome and to give abanye abantu that hope ukuthi no matter ngabe udlule kweni, if you are willing to change impilo yakho, you can change. Remember, there's a negative, there's a positive.
Yeah.
If you decide to take a negative way, so there was my circumstances.
True.
As much as I nearly became a prostitute, ngithi kuzongisebenzela because they raped me too many times. We understand. But utela sengihleli khona, then something just came like, no man, it's like we are taking a wrong direction. A wrong decision. And the negative way food, maybe I'm into drugs, maybe I'm into alcohol. We understand. All of these things must qala zenzakala kimi. Ngacabanga abantwana bami. Ngathi what's going to happen mase ngiphuzile sengidakiwe, abantu bayadlula estradeni sebabiza abantwana bami. Ukuthi izani nekiriva. Nizofaka umameni kwikiriva.
Yeah.
Uyabona manje ukuthi angisazihlazanga ngiyi-one, sengihlaze nabantwana bami. And I will give abantu something yokuthi bakhuthuka abantwana bami ngayo.
Yeah.
That's kana ngazositshela ngomama uyisitako. Yabona? Or ngazositshela ngomama uhambelela nabo bonke labo baba. Kanti bebangazi ukuthi I'm trying to heal.
True.
Ngizama ukuvala lamanxeba la kanti mina ngiyawandisa. Then
Just kancane. Ayanda, ngicela ubacele bahlise volume. Yeah, radio. Okay, sorry. Ne? I'll just clap so that they can see ukuthi there was a disturbance. Sharp. Okay, sorry.
Then the positive way is the healing process.
Okay.
And to heal, it's not easy, it's not simple. Let me tell you. You will face more challenges mawuhila. You can start indawo besmooth. Maso uloku hamba unamahlabihlabi. Ngaleso sikhathi uhamba ngenyawo awufakanga icathulo. Now you decide ukuthi ngiyawanyathela lamahlabihlabi so that ngizofika
To the other side.
to the other side. Ufike to the other side. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe kunamanzi. Enamanzi uyawasaba. Uyangena. Awazi ukuthi lamanzi adiphi kangakanani. Uyahamba uhamba. The more you keep on looking back, So we are in the middle now. You ask yourself ukuthi ngiyaqhubeka nokuheala ngoba ngathi ukuheala kunzima or I go back. That is when you have to decide. Uphinde uphume emanzini futhi hlangane nendawo esimosi. Hlangane nayo futhi out of nowhere so hlangana neintaba. Hlangana nezihlahla, uhlangana nezilwane, usaba inyoka, usaba ibhubezi, all of those things. But if your main goal is to heal, uzohlangana nelanga likushise, imvula inethe, ilanga libalele, all of those things, meaning ukuthi you will be having people abazokuthuka, abazokutshela how useless you are, abazokutshela ukuthi you deserved ukuthi urapiwe as much kwamanye ama comment from Facebook. Ngithe mangwafunda I was like I'm not going to entertain this. And these people mabe commenta abantu besilisa khona i-comment ethe bowufuna ukudliwa vele, khona enye i-comment ethe uzoyekela ugqoka izinto ezimfishane. And I was like, if it was easy if you wangibuza ukuthi no man awusibuzele kusisi ukuthi what was she wearing, bekusebusuku or bekusemini or in you understand. So if you are going to say something negative about whatever you heard about me, I take you as a perpetrator yourself. I'm like that.
Because you're not speaking against the act.
Yes. Remember, ungaba nabantwana or your sisters or whoever who's closer to you. The very same thing oyikhulumayo kimi negative possibilities ukuthi zingenzeka someone closer to you can happen because we are living in a cruel world.
That's true.
You understand? So ngabe ngathi dala ngidila nabantu abaso, and at the end of the day we need people like them abazothrowa ama stones at you.
Okay.
When you just nje we are chiefta nje uthi liyoshaya ilitshe la bekumele lingashayi khona but bekathi ushaya wena ngithi. But when you decide ukuthi thing chief and then uzwa nje ngomoya odlulayo welitshe ukuthi woo, oh okay ayilidlulile, that's it.
And I guess there has to be a philosophy around you testing your healing process, because even when they are testing a car for its readiness, they send it to a crash test to try and see if this car is ready. So until it passes that crash test, it doesn't go out to the public. So even for a person who's healing, they need to test the strength of their healing to see how far am I. So these are the things that sort of allow you to gauge your transition. Because the same thing that triggers you now will not trigger you the same in the next moment when it comes back again. So yeah, I think when someone prayed for strength, they must expect problems, because now that's how you build strength. And I'm happy because it's sort of like God is sort of like testing you to see lento uthi ukuphi. And the fact that you're able to say, I know listening as by this, I've been here a lot, so so I'm happy that you've got that perspective. And to anyone who's also in a healing transition, I feel they must not be afraid of these tests, because the best way for you to know that you have gone past that situation is when that situation faces you and it doesn't affect you. But I wanted to also dive into your relationship with trauma, because the sort of things that you went through are traumatic. How has trauma impacted you?
Affected kakhulu to the point ukuthi I ended up attempting suicide 11 times. Some of the incident mangwabheka manje they were useless, but by that time bewangekho useless to me. I will come and visit you as my boyfriend. Uzongishiya kini for 3 days uhambe uyophuza utshwala. And I'll be like, yo, ngiyazibulala ke, ngiyamlaya. I'm not doing it for me. I'm doing it ukuthi ngilaye wena.
Sure.
I will take sleeping tablets. And kuwo wonke lama attempts to suicide, only sleeping tablets. Ngizowathatha, ngwaphuze. I will be dizzy for days. Namhlanje it's Tuesday ne. Mina ngigcine ngiwathatha Tuesday. So the day ngivuka ngicabanga ukuthi it's still Tuesday or it's Wednesday. Then you will tell me ukuthi it's Saturday or Sunday.
Sure.
I'll be like, no, it can't be. yabona even noma ngithi ngiyavuka nokunyathela phansi like everything yami I'm dizzy ngisemhlabeni wami ngiyi-one sometimes ngithi ngiyavuka ngiyawa phansi yabona ngikhase ngamadolo kumele ngifune something like engizobambelela kuyo
Okay.
yabona then makhona something nje ngidinayo I will run to ama-sleeping tablets
Okay.
then ngathi bewa serious nyana it's because of let's say I found my late husband nentombazana that is where the 11th one happened like no it was the 10th one siyabuya emjayivweni abantwana basekhaya December kuvalwe emisebenzini in came back indoda ilele nentombazana empedeni intombazana ifake i-night dress yami
Hayibo.
and I was drunk like nobody's business if bengathatha another sip yotshwala ngangiyothola i-blackout
Yo.
just took amapilisi because ngeke ngabagijimisa ngithi they went out ngakhiya thatha amapilisi ngamaphuzu so yabona amafastera la kudala anehendlela ngithi so bekatrya ukuvula ifastera from ngaphandle then mina bengilibamba la ngaphakathi yabona
Okay.
wenze lokho several times until azakhona ukulivula kanti by that time sengiwile phansi under influence of alcohol phuza ama-sleeping tablets as many sleeping tablets as I could make ngena bathi ngiyahlanza ini bafonela abantwana basekhaya laba baceda ukungidrop bangithatha bangisesibhedlela until today kunamanye ama-scenes engawakhumbuli ngikhumbula nje make fika esibhedlela make qeda ukuhamba I'll be asking myself ukuthi bekakhona bengiphupha or in then the doctor said to him yabo lo muntu akuna medication esimnike yona akuna next if it was up to us besizowukhipha umphefumulo because there's no akusekho umuntu umzimba wakhe sowugcwele ipoison wonke and bekaphuzile now ama situations are so siyawazi the only thing that we have to wait for ukuthi sibone ukuthi umzimba wakhe uyazilwela na.
Okay.
That is when sizozwa istory ukuthi what happened ama cases amaningi esiwatholile mase sithola istory sithola ukuthi yiwe part and parcel yokuthi azayenze lento ayenzayo luckily umzimba wami wazilwela ke
Okay.
been taken to a psychologist yathi I'm not going to talk to you izinto eziningi ngizwile nje ukuthi took an overdose yamapilisi in the psychologist yathi ke me are you aware ukuthi njengoba uthole indoda yakho nentombazana are you aware ukuthi njengoba ulokula esibhedlela ngabe kulungiselwa umncwabo wakho so at the very same day ozongcwatshwa ngayo ugirl bekazolala eroomini lakho alali free ke manje we understand athi kimi I hope uyayithola imessage angifuni ukukutshela ukuthi suicide wrong or you understand that's the only message ebengifuna ukukunika yona hayi ngiphume ngibuyele wodini thola umamkhulu wami ukhona angibuze ke sisi are you coming back home or buyela kwakho ngathi ke no ngibuyela kwami reason why angifuni kusasa ngibe nama regrets ngithi hayi indoda yami yayenza mistake in went back thola kuthengwe everything entsha his way of apologizing
Okay.
and ngambuza ukuthi okay each time mangikubamba wenza something wrong should nizohlala uthenga izinto ezintsha leyo bekwe yes 10 ngazitshela ukuthi no more angithi he was still alive and I wanted to be a motivational speaker for the longest time into ebeyingivimbile it was him ukuthi uzothi ay sawuyaphuma ukhuluma ngama personal issues what
Okay.
I felt like ukuthi uzongibamba kulento engifuna ukuyenza then washona ke then I started to wenza whatever bengiyenza even though it took me a long time then the 11th time December 31 sihleli kumnandi kuyaphuzwa ini and then kwaba ne argument between me and my brother
Okay.
waqala mina ke ngaphakamisa isandla then butwami naye wa actor we understand then ekhaya ngasemuva kunegate ukuthi ngifike kanjani next door ngikhiyelwe kanjani igate I don't know. I remember nje before kukhiwa igate ngene roomini lami I took ama sleeping tablets ngahlala phansi ngawaphuza so there were more than 30 sleeping tablets. Mase ngisukuma angisakhona ukusukuma sengiyawa ngithi ngiyasukuma ngidebona la the only way yokuthi ngifike ngale ngasemuva ukuguqa ngamadolo ngize ngifike egate likely ivoice beyisesekhona ngishawute ngimemeza umntana athi kokho mama ngathi uyamemeza yabona hayi eza umntana ngivulela igate mangena mama saw the movement the way ngamanga khona athi ya uyobuthatha ama sleeping tablets angihlaba nje lawo magama ngathi ish futhi sekangikremile ukuthi what kind of a person I am ngihlale phansi now ngiyakhuluma but amagama yakhatha angisakwazi ukushow the full sentence it's like ngiyakhatha I have ukuthi ngikhokha umoya futhi yabona I'm instructing them ye odropini endaweni ethile kune file lami lasebhara yabo like something ngathi bekuyinto ebengiyiplanile and I didn't plan it ngathi bangibizele ama cousin banemoto ngithathwe ngisiwe esibhedlela fike esibhedlela ngi-admitwe ke mangi-admitiwe ngiyasukuma I'm thirsty now ama sleeping tablets let me tell you amapilisi akwenza ukuthi ube dry I'm thirsty ukuthi imali nganginayo kanjani I don't know ngihlike empedeni now ngifuna umuntu ozoyongithengela i-cold drink so one of the people abasebenza lapha athi sisi uzowa ufunani into ngifuna nje cold drink athi nobuyela empedeni uhamba ngiyokuthenga i-cold drink thengela i-cold drink then there's i-ward I think that ward is for people aba attempted suicide or whatever so this lady uyangibuza what happened ngimtshele ungibuza ama question I'm giving her the answers athi kimi you know what ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini but you failed yourself because you have ama answers and mangithi ngiyakumamela uhluzekile emqondweni uyabona but uphazamiswe yi this incident and at the time ke silwa no brother wami kanti kunamagama engiwakhulumayo we are not even aware ukuthi what I went through uyabona there are rape issues involved in this yabona I think kwaba yi nervous breakdown yeah I broke down kanti kunotshwala phakathi all of those things then again came back bang discharge I came back then bathi kimi we need to have sicela kuba ne meeting now because kunezinto ezikhulumile which thini singazi ngazo and I said to them cela ukuhlala ngiphumule ngiziprepare because I don't know the outcome from you guys I've been kulento le ngiyi-one so now I have to tell you even though iphume ngendlela wrong I was supposed ukuthi nginitshele ngisoba ngingaphuzanga the meeting happened ngabatshela ukuthi nabantu aba involved there bekwabo bani and the response from them it was positive azange baze bangidoubt ukuthi hayi lona believe ukuthi ukwenzile lokho yabona the only thing was why uye wahlala nezinto ezinkulu ezingaka now sesibona ngebehavior yakho ukuthi behavior yakho it's not it's not a normal behavior yabona so even now I still have my challenges but the suicide part it's no more there
it's much better
it's no more there the only thing engiye realize until ngize ngitshela the person that I'm dating now naye besithi uma sixabana I would run ngithatha ama sleeping tablets ngiphuze not because I'm trying to do overdose it's because I want to sleep for the whole day maybe ngivuke kusasa.
Okay.
Yabona? Leyo it was like running away from the outside world. Ithi ngibe semhlabeni wami ngiyi-one. And ngagcina sengiyikhuluma kuye ngamnika ama-sleeping tablets. Can you throw these sleeping tablets away from me? Ngayikhuluma ke no doctor. Then udoctor wathi kimi, I'm a drug user in another way. Hayi la ukuthi yabona not lokhu kuzihlaba nokubhema abo whatever abo heroin and what no. Everyone ophuza amaphilisi for the wrong reasons bambiza ukuthi
Okay.
it's
Drug use.
Yes. And I convinced myself ukuthi ngithi I'm a drug user clean.
Yeah.
You understand? Like I was convincing myself. But at the end of the day, ngathi, you know what? Let me not be a failure again. It means I'm failing myself. Whatever challenge eqhamukayo, ithi ngibhekane nayo. Yabona? And the person that I'm dating, let me tell you, that guy uhlakaniphile to the point of when I'm going through something, he'll be like, we are going through something. Come out. Tell me ukuthi what is happening.
Yeah.
So noma ngisekhaya ngithanda ukuvala ibhatla ne ngithanda ukuvala ibhatla athi kimi why uthanda ukuvala ibhatla ngithi no mina it's a sign for me makungena umuntu it's not a sign for you ukuthi ufuna ukuzwa makungena umuntu uzivalele.
Yeah.
You don't want anyone, you don't want anything. Uyabona ufila ukuthi usafe. And ngithe mangidlala phansi ngicabanga ngathi this person notice nento kumele like ungayi notice. And most of the things make ezikhuluma ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibuyele kuzo ngihleli ngiyi-one.
Okay.
Ngithi this is the person ongeke aze angilahlekise. This is the person owathi make ngibona in one of the memorial service ngikhuluma wathi ngiyamthanda lo yamuntu out uyakhuluma ngezinto zakhe. So ezinye izinto ziqhaqheka manje njengoba senginaye. Some of the fears ebenginawo ebengizitshelile ukuthi ngidilile nazo kanti ngizivalele angikadili nazo. So makwenzakala an argument between mina naye, I can see myself, I'm the first one to react, I'm the first one ofuna ukusukumisa isandla, all of those things yabona azathi awukahili. Angazi or uyazikhohlisa or ngithi no, maybe mina ngazitshela ukuthi ngihilile ngathatha everything ngayenza kwaba yinto eyi-one. I didn't know ukuthi kanti kumele ngiye step by step.
Okay.
You understand? Good. Oh, okay. When I'm dating someone make ngishouta angingacabangi angabuyele emuva ngithi eish nalo yana waqala kanje ngezwe sekuhlala impama ngezwe sekuhlala ini. You understand? So where I am now, I'm happy. No more my sleeping tablets. Even not Dr. Ngamtshela ngathi mawungipha amaphilisi make sure unganginika ama sleeping tablets.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngumuntu olisaba iphilisi ne. Mawungibona ngiphuza iphilisi mele wazi ukuthi hey
Is that true?
ziyashuba.
Do you feel like there's a build up on that subliminal mind that has come as a result of your trauma and your experiences that automatically takes over? I know Manju to write, but do you feel ukuthi there's another mentality that goes on autopilot the moment there are problems, and you are sort of like watching what happens, and then you are surprised after ukuthi kati bengenzani mina lapha? Because in your story, on the fact that you ulweno brother wathatha ama tablets, that was like for me that autopilot experience, and then post that you are like bengenzani ngisene bar. So do you feel like there's a build up?
Yes. How can I put it? I was using a sleeping tablet as something to escape. We understand? Njengoba ngishilo ngithi ukuwaphuza kwami bengawaphuzeli ukuthi ngizwise mina ubuhlungu. Bengifuna ukuzwisa abantu abaseduze kwami ubuhlungu. Ukuthi I'm going through a lot. It's like ngathi anikho aningisizi. At the very same time, azange ngibajele next. You understand? I remember ngisesibhedlela in one of the suicide attempts, ne? Umamncane wami wathi kimi, uyazi ukuthi siyakuthanda. And I was like, sengiyi-one, why do you decide to tell me ukuthi niyangithanda uma ngenze lento esengiyenzile? Why don't you tell me time in a two ukuthi uhlale wazi ukuthi siyakuthanda? And that's the hardest word esihlulekayo ukuyikhuluma. The only people esibatshelayo ukuthi siyabathanda are only our partners, our husbands, our wives, and what. We don't tell our sisters, we don't tell our brothers, we don't tell abomameti, we don't tell our kids ukuthi siyabathanda. But the moment sekunento eyenzekile ebuhlungu, that is when sowuqala sofuna ukutshela umuntu ukuthi uyamthanda. And njengoba singajwayelanga ukubatshela kunabantwana babafana, it's so simple to tell a boy child ukuthi uyamthanda. Mfethu ngiyakufatela, ngiyakuncanywa. But emntaneni wentombazane, you have to tell it straight to her ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Now umntana uba shocked ukuthi azangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda iphuma yaphi leyo, because akakaze angitshela ukuthi uyangithanda. Yabona? I remember one time mama mke wangitshela athi yazi ngiyakuthanda. Ngambheka, uthini? Athi yazi ngiyakuthanda. Hey, awukazi ungitshele leyo nto leyo. We understand? Yangithusa leyo nto leyo ukuthi maybe kuko konke akubonile okubi engikwenzile or okungehlele, she felt ukuthi it's time ukuthi angitshele ukuthi uyangithanda. And I ended up knowing a sign. This sign says I love you. So each and every time mangikuma event and what masengiqeda ukukhuluma, I always say to people, can you do this for me? Then they do this, then this say I love you. And it's a sign language angithi. So this sign language mangihlangana nomuntu ongangizwa, I'll be like, and then that person will respond by saying, meaning thank you. Those are the two sign languages engizaziyo and engifela ukuthi they are important to me. Yabona? So eke kwaba kuningi. Yabona?
I feel like that's a very powerful narrative, the sign language part, because sometimes you grow immune to someone's voice. So finding new ways to communicate in that manner, it's very powerful.
It is.
Uhlala ungishout every day. Nanoma uzongitshela ukuthi uyangithanda, angiyiboni lento uyisho, because uyisho nga the same voice. So that one thing that will burn in my memory is that sign that you would do. Because nanoma ngiyaphi la ngiyakhona, I will always know ukuthi, nah man, there's a certain portion of this person's personality that just feels ukuthi bayangithanda. And the words I love you are difficult to say. Let me say that. It sounds like an easy thing to say, but it's very difficult. The closest my dad has ever come to tell me that he loves me is that I'm very proud of you. That's how I know that this man loves me. Everything else has been communicated through actions. You see it, oh, my old man really cares and he loves me. So same to me, to my brothers. I've never told them, Gucci, I love them. The one thing that they will always know is to say that when you've got issues, when Ms. Shuba, give me a heads up. And then take care of yourself, Mfethu. And those are the subliminal messages that we send in passing. But I feel we can do better.
Yes.
I think we can do better. We can improve. And that those three words might save someone's life. Because like you were saying, whining angitsheli ukuthi niyangithanda time and time again. Why nizongitshela manje? Because that was like the trigger that I needed to send me the opposite direction. And in what you, in your story, in how you unpack it, I love that you have got a support system to always bring you back, continuous. But what I want to know is, tell me about your perspective of a man, right? In in the time when you are dealing with this trauma and you are deep within it, make sure. I remember last time you were talking about how you responded to someone who sort of came on to you, but now I want to ask you to tell us about your perspective of this thing called indoda, when you are in the pits and you're trying to make sense of the pain that you went through. I know now it might be better, but I want to know, to a rape victim, how do you view a man?
Umuntu oyindoda. Ayi bese ngibasaba mina. Bese ngibasaba, I don't wanna lie. And thina abantu besifazane sinalento yokuthi abantu abanezika yibo aba dangerous.
Yeah.
Yay. Abazi. Yo.
Yeah.
The sweet talkers.
Yeah.
Machama in they are the ones who are dangerous. Bengibasaba, not only kubasaba bengibanyanya by that time. Ngafuni ukuzwa next ngumuntu wesilisa. Ngafuni ngisivalela. We can talk, hello. Ngasondele eduze kwami. Ngangitshela futhi ukuthi angithandi. The more ngizongisho ukuthi angithandi, the more ufuna ama phone numbers. Uyangithatha ungenza ungibeka kwelinye ilizwe. I remember ngeke ngafisa ukuthi ngathi ngaba neplot elikhulu. Thathe bonke abantu besifazane, even abantwana. Ngihambe ngiyobavalela like to protect them from these monsters. Now we have ama monsters abobaba abazala abantwana. Now we have nabomama sibalala nabantwana babo. So you see ukuthi umhlaba ukuthi ubanjani. But ngaba nalento yokuthi let me not judge them. Ngingasebenzisi lento ukuthi one rotten potato spoils the whole bag. Because I'll end up losing someone who really loves me no matter what I went through. Yeah, understand.
True.
Let me not judge them. Let me give myself a try and date whoever that I wish to date. Then i-behavior yaloyo muntu yiyo ezongilidela to have you accepted me the way I am? Have you accepted ukuthi I'm a rape survivor? Have you accepted ukuthi I'm living with HIV? What's going to happen if sihlangana nomngani wakho or abangani bakho abaye basibona istory somewhere? How would you react? Omunye makethi hayi uvaya nalo sister lo sister lona mosi khona lasho khona ukuthi HIV positive. We understand. Are you going to protect me from that person? Are you going to explain ukuthi yes she's HIV positive and then ngimthandela lokho ukuthi she's HIV positive open your status yakhe? Or are you going to feel ashamed and then come back to me and say I know ngaphinda ushare story sakho? Like
You know, I saw somewhere, because a lot of people, the moment you're diagnosed, maybe we'll jump into that because I want to hear your perspective when everyone finds out that you are HIV positive. How do they respond, and what did you notice? Because there's someone who was diagnosed today somewhere and they don't know how will they be perceived. But maybe before we get into that, I noticed, I saw a video where another doctor was talking about umuntu or HIV positive, if they can get their CD4 count in control, it becomes untransmittable.
yes.
It becomes like they are a normal person who has never had that condition.
Yes.
I didn't know that. I'm guilty. I did not know. The moment uzagimi uthi saw nami bengithi hey mangabe benginama feelings yana, I'm like ay mana kancane. But now such information, I feel like people are not really aware about the dynamics of such. But tell me how people perceived you the first time they discovered ukuthi you're HIV positive.
Ngathi mangikhuluma, I think futhi enye into nganginalento ukuthi ngathi ngiguilty.
Okay.
Because umamkhulu wami angitshela ngithi by that time besabizwa ukuthi AIDS. So ngaba nalento obuguilty ukuthi I had an opportunity, man. Somebody told me about this. But because bengisese yabona ngihyphanyana in I didn't listen. Maybe it's a punishment.
Okay.
That is why I always mangikhuluma nabantu ngithi listening is a skill, not a crime. if ngamamela, I'm not saying bengeke ngize ngibe HIV positive. I'm not saying that because ayingeni only ngesex kuphela. Ungawa la uphume igazi ngikusize uthola ukuthi I've got a scratch. Angibonanga ukuthi I've got a scratch. You understand? That is bese seyangena ngaleyo ndlela leyo. But for me ngayithola sexually. You understand? Aqala ke ngakhuluma angeke ngize ngisho ukuthi khona yabona owasuka eduze kwami. The only people ababesuka eduze kwami bekuba umuntu mhlambe kade ngishela.
Okay.
You know, I need to tell this person ukuthi I'm HIV positive. That time sikhuluma naye, no unga stress itali baby ini ngikuthanda nje ngibunjalo.
Gone.
Sometimes ngize ngenza example when I talk to the people that I know. Ubhuti sidlulene. Like besibhekene sadlulana, ne? Azange ngibulisa azangenze next. But uthe maseke bheka my behind decided to come back and
Okay.
shela me.
Okay.
Ngathi the behind ayibonile, it's where the virus is.
Okay.
They were like trying to make
Yeah.
a joke ukuthi you can't be attracted to my behind ukuthi uthe mangibona ebusweni azange ube attracted to me. So now behind them you eseyibuyisa towards me. More than 50 people abangishela abavenisha. I'm telling you,
When they discovered ukuthi
like ngiyakutshela, I don't want ukuthi uzwe ngomunye umuntu or ini ithole from kimi yabona. So I think ngaleso sikhathi bebasabuthi yo uzongifakela.
Yeah.
We understand. And I understand that if yabo. And honestly speaking, abantu besilisa they have more fear than abantu besifazane. Yeah, abantu besilisa abekho strong. Yes, ngokwakheka kwabo they are strong, but mase uhleli naye umuntu sowukhuluma naye uyigwala leyo muntu lo. You understand? Those are the only people engathi didn't understand my status.
Okay.
But everyone ongaziyo nalaba bangangazi, they understand me to the point ukuthi I share mini story sami na ku Facebook and nini ngizongena like thanking everyone ukuthi thank you for your support. As much as nakuma page angithi ngikhona abanye I'll ask, can you go to this page and like my picture what you understand? Azange baze bangijudge. They always say, you know, we always have your back.
Yeah.
Then my kids, some of the things I'm even afraid of sharing nabantwana bami. Lo mdala ubona nje mhlambe yabona postile ini.
Okay.
But to sit down with them and talk angaze ngiyenze leyo nto leyo. I don't know ukuthi bafila kanjani. Maybe nabo bayasaba ukuza kimi bakhulume nami bangibuze nami ngiyasaba like ukuza kubo. But akekho naye oke wangitshela ukuthi hayi mama bake bakubona kuphi ushare story sakho yabona, or mhlawumbe umntana being bullied ukuthi asuka ngazositshela wena mamakho bamrape or umamakho is living with HIV or what. No, angaze ngihlangabezane nento enjalo. And nalento boyisho ukuthi they call it undetectable.
Yeah.
Mabethola ukuthi vele it's undetectable, abathi stop ukuthatha ama ARVs.
Okay.
Continue take them. The virus is still there but it's not active.
Okay.
And i-virus uma selingenile liyakwazi ukusifanisa ne-immune system yakho. That is why it's so difficult ukuthi babone ukuthi le immune system le virus because ifike.
Okay.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, makes sense. I yeah, it's mind-boggling. I'm learning new things here today. Because I think into is affectayo kakhulu njenge society ukungazi. You know, when you don't know, you are as good as a person who's dead because your perception on certain things is so limited. And that sort of limited information and knowledge exposes you for the ignorant person that you are when you are in spaces that expect Pella now. It can't be that a person still has such little knowledge about this condition or this virus yabona, on this day and age. Ukuthi singaze sisabe like the way we used to run away from it back then when it was, such a popular thing. There's posters everywhere. So I think it's a very good thing that you're educating us and uplifting us in terms of us understanding ukuthi abantu abane-HIV are basically human beings. Sometimes bahle ukundlula,
doctors,
yeah,
professionals, abantu abalapha.
yeah,
Athi usezwa isound, maybe ungena ufaka igwayikwai, usezwa isound and thinking ukuthi this person ozayo unurse. I-patient uzosijoyina nathi la sihleli khona. Mawuthi yathula mpela. Lo akafanelekanga ngibala, but mawusukuma uthula ubheka everyone.
beautiful people.
And ayisekho le yanto yokuthi amaphilisi, angithi eqaleni besinalento ukuthi amaphilisi ayasidla la umuntu omkhulu la enyaweni like manje sesibahle, we are more beautiful.
Yeah, you're glowing.
So manje mawuqala usaba umuntu one-HIV like uphumaphi.
Yeah.
And manje nje bengiyolanda amaphilisi, then usister wathola ke ukuthi Doreen awusezi kahle ke emaphilisini, and bayakudonsa igazi, awusezi kahle emaphilisini. Athi kimi sisi ngicela ukuthi uphuza amaphilisi. Remember ngihlushwa nayi high blood angithi, so everything kuvele kumosheke nje yonke into. And wathi kimi kune injection eseyikhona,
Okay.
it's in Cape Town now. Mayifika this side siqala ngabantu aba undetectable.
Okay.
So wena ngeke sikubale nanokukubala, uzoloku uza la eclinic, uzoloku uzolanda amaphilisi.
Uthe yani the injection? I'm curious.
No, injection izobe isebenza instead of amaphilisi.
Okay.
Yes. Abafuni angithi manje amaphilisi uyawalanda njalo maybe after 2 months or 3 months in. So injection mawihlabile, there's no need for you to keep on going to the clinic. Maybe mabehlaba uyuzi like manje uMarch, uzuhlabe next year again
Okay.
ngoMarch.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, understand. They are trying to ukuthi ba improve izinto. And she said to me, ngifuna ukubona kuleyo list leyo abantu esobahlaba injection. You understand? Angifuni ukubona uloku ula. And athi ke yini ayakudini ngithi sister ukubuyaza ngidina kanjani. Like I had to ukuthi ngibe transparent ukuthi kubuyaza ukuthi angidina kanjani. Into khona mawuliphuza bese selihamba lana. You understand? What I've noticed uma ngiliphuza ngi1 liyangidina ngizojikela izinto engapheli.
Okay.
But when there is someone sitting next to me,
Done.
so I think I need someone
Or close, or maybe align a routine yakho
use
nomuntu
someone
wakho.
angathi how uloku sitshela ngamaphilisi ini kanti uyigwala, all of those things. So izinto engizipick upayo. And ithi ngibuyele kule ye trauma, ngibuyele kuyo. I think this one is important. Ngikhumbula manje I had a nervous breakdown at some point. Siphumile, bekune family gathering, we came back. I knew ukuthi I'm depressed like nobody's business. Now bengibheka kungabi khona something ezotriggerisha whatever that I'm facing. Samba saye family, came back, saphuma nobhuti wami. Sihleli ke la sihleli khona siyabonana ngidaya abantwana basekasi sonke yabona, hayi mase sikhuphuka sokhuphuka sonke.
Yeah.
I don't know who said what to me. Yalahleka ingqondo. Yalahleka ingqondo. I was fighting everyone. Everyone. This lady athi kimi angayisisi nomkhosi ayawukho so man. Khona into ekhona. Impama engangizilahlela. To that girl. Impama engangizilahlela. You won't believe. Ngangihamba ngqondo.
Yeah.
Took off my clothes. Luckily ngisayisho namhlanje lento, luckily ngasinda ngoba kwakusebusuku.
You.
Luckily kusebusuku.
Yo.
My brother was there, didn't even mind ukuthi umntana sekhaya ukhona. bona nje so umnyama babona next yabona futhi ingqondo iyabaleka iphinde ibuye
Okay.
yabona ahamba yolanda umama I'm naked estradeni kudlula imoto ngama phakathi kwestrada imoto ziyama sisi kwenzakalani ngathi ngisene police station okay uyoyenzana epolice station angazi ngibona mangifika khona nami epolice station yabona
Yo.
like this guy wangibamba wathi yabona sisi nomkhosi ngizokugqokisa le impahla if namhlanje kumele ungishaye you'll start with me wangibamba umfana wangigqokisa umntana sekhaya nje ngibehambile olanda umama think mama weza neshiti yabona sengithola sengigqokiwe ngiphathiswa ngale shiti sengisiwe ekhaya ukuthi ekhaya ngangizihambela or ngangidonso I don't know khumbula nje masifike ecarport because kunesofa ngaphandle masifike ecarport hlala ecarport nomama isilile ngangisikhala now everything is coming out ngesikhathi esiwani ukuthi athi mama iproblem yakho usagcine izinto zakudala obonayo ukuthi ziyakhathaza ena ukhuluma ngazo sekufonele neambulance baby yakala ambulance mayifika sesisukile manje ngaphandle sihlele endlini ngiyayibona shaya ama light sengiqedile ngithi ukhana bayakokoda I'm the one uhamba wayovula umnyango sanibona with a smile
ngathi azangoba uye lo muntu bekese estradini
bange sizile la ekhaya sithole i-call yabona sithole i-call ukuthi khona umuntu ongekho right babheke isibali yithi sithole i-call umuntu ongekho right athi baba wena lo enikhuluma naye yabona bathi sisi are you okay ngithi yes I'm fine bathi sizokulandwa esibhedlela ngithi no aningise esibhedlela ngithi kuba I just had an episode now iphelile I think kube ningithole ngisesekuleyo episode ngabe mhlamba nginivulelanga ngomnyango ngabe nani nithe maningena nabona ukuthi I'm still having that episode but no kumele sikuthathe for further check up yabo ngithi mara ndlala ngesikhathi senu guys ngiyantshela ukuthi I had an episode now I'm back to myself athi mama mthathele
uma oleli ukufaka phansi kwebhasi yo
you know what asabed
okay
bangithathe siye ebheki emlangeni sifike lapho ngithi asingena casual to what hayibo kunabantu engibabonayo ukuthi they are not mentally okay ngikhuluma ngiyiwani indaka kahle bangijwayela kabi labo bangazongihlanganisa nabantu abaso at the end of the day ngizo end up ngifana nalabantu because now remember sivalelekile lo omunye ufuna ukugibela ibonda yalibona ibonda ukuthi linjani ufuna ukugibela ibonda
yo Spider-Man
omunye ukha amanzi uwathela phansi uguqa ngedolo like ngathi ufuna ukuklina indawo ngelimi uya understand omunye sekaboshiwe ngama handcuff then khona omunye ongaboshwa ngama handcuff lo ongaboshwanga uya kulo oboshwe ngama handcuff is lo oboshiwe she's a female a male akaboshwanga yabona now uyambona ukuthi usemhlabeni wakhe I want and I'm like no I think this is a wake up call for me ukuthi girl you don't belong here Dr. Thema ke fika wangibuza what happened ngiyamtshela ngithi no I had a nervous breakdown it was just an episode right naye wathi make khuluma namabona ukuthi okay I do understand ukuthi you had an episode yenza ukuthi if uyeza ukuthi sekunezinto ekumele uzikhiphe out find a book bhala encwadini or do a recording over your phone or keep it out or you can go to someone trustayo rather than for you bottle up everything, and then something comes and trigger you, and you'll be like,
Yeah.
boom, all over the place. You understand? Now, sekunzima to pick up
The pieces.
all these pieces. Angidischarge ngifike ekhaya athi mama hayi ubalekile. Ngithi, no,
Yeah.
no, angibalekanga. Ngithi the very same thing engikutshele yona la ukuthi it was an episode ebenginayo. UDr ungi-assessile. It was an episode. Ngene ngilale. Now senginamahloni. Reality manje yabuya ukuthi girl bowunqunu.
Yeah.
Ubhuti wakho ukubonile bowunqunu. Kube nale side le mara bekusebusuku manje kumnyama.
Yeah.
Yabona. Now I swallowed my pride ngaya kugel lo engangimshaya. Ngafika kuye ngathi sisi I'm sorry. I don't know what happened but something came over me. And her being her, what is this nomkhosi, I do understand. I remember ngize ngasho kuwe ngathi asulosise ngimaziyo. You just became violent ulwisa wonke umuntu, and ngaleso sikhathi leso we are trying to protect you whatever besikhuluma eqiniso. We understand. Athi ngiyaxolisa sisi, that was not me. Even not today noma sihlangana no girl siyakhuluma sixoxe.
You're right.
And ugirl kanti there was a point la kade pregnant khona uphethwa amapain ekseni. Guess what? I was called. Wazosincedisa. Uyateta. We understand.
Yeah.
So meaning ukuthi the friendship iya continue ukuthi understandile siswami ukuthi that was not you.
Okay.
And I know angeke wenze into ngamasibomu. Even not today njengoba ngisho ukuthi some of the pieces angwazi. Even nalokho guy owayengqokisa noma ngaqhabuka namhlanje
Angeke umazi.
angeke ngize ngimazi like ngizo.
Yo.
But ngiyababonga ukuthi bangisiza at that moment. Just imagine if njengoba ngangimisa imoto oyiwani driver mhlambe avula umnyango athi ngene emotweni, what was going to happen? Bebangeke bazi ukuthi ungithathile wangise police station or naye udecide ukuthi yo nasi situfuza simile estradeni Jesu, let me go nam and do whatever engifuna ukuthi ngiyenze ngayo. That is how trauma works. And after that incident yaleyo nervous breakdown, hayi angiphindanga ngaphathwa yenye. Even noma ngizwe ukuthi ngathi khona engathi ifuna ukungiphatha, I always remind myself ukuthi ngathi khona izinto mhlawumbe ezingangiphatha, khona izinto ekumele zingangiphathi, because uma izongiphatha futhi if bengikwazi ukuhamba estradeni ngenqondo, what if now it happens daylight?
Yeah.
Abantu wouldn't come ney'ngubo ney'mpahla. They will take their phones out
Not true.
and videorize and
Yeah.
say, this is the person who always says I'm a motivational speaker, I'm a what, I'm a what. Mbhekeni ukuthi wenza ini, bangacabangi. And in this interview yenu esisayenza, one of the ladies uyangibingelela, hayi sinomkhosi kunjani, hayi sisi, yabona, athi yo abantwana bami bakubone kwi-TikTok, bayabuza, mama wena sisihlale simbona la, athi we but yo sine-celebrity ma yo but yo like showing ukuthi mina ngingakhuluma, I don't know who's watching, who's not watching, but they appreciate ukuthi khona abantu esibabonayo abayenza into eso. Even though they ngeke abanye beze kimi ukuthi no, we support you, we are 100% behind you.
Yeah.
But abantwana bayabona ukuthi oh okay, this is reality. Lo muntu sihlale simbona la
Yeah.
estradeni.
And it raises their awareness to the world that they're living in.
That's one thing futhi engiyithandayo ukuthi I'm not doing this so that ngizophuma TV or ku TikTok or ku YouTube. No, I'm doing this to make people aware ukuthi izinto eziso ziyayenzeka elifeni. And if you want a positive outcome, you can make that be a positive outcome. We understand? So it's because ngoba kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi. No. Say, ungamboni eso, lo muntu she went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uma ngizoqeda, let me tell you about this t-shirt. Kasivusa. It's an NPO. It's a Middlelands.
Yeah.
We've lost a founder yakhona.
Oh, so sorry.
Babu Joseph Maluleke. Last year, wenze i-event, a Christmas party for Abogogo. Udila ngama-senior citizens, nangabantu abaphila nge-disability. So last year, wenze Christmas party, and he was given an opportunity to say something. He spoke, I think, more than 2 hours. Asinemisha sonke one by one. And then when it was his turn talking about me, at yo nizombona, I think nonke senimbonile. Apithiza poo poo poo. I'm that kind of a person.
Yeah.
Ngiyayikhumula ikwayikwayi mangibona ukuthi kudingeka usizo. I'm all over the place. And athi hey, angazi lo muntu ngammitha kanjani. Athi ngathi mangibona istory sakhe ethi being raped 8 times, athi ngaba touched, futhi ngagodola, ngamfilela shame. Athi but mangithi ngiyathula ngiyambheka, lo muntu akanamsebenzi.
Yeah.
Akanandaba. So why should I feel pity for her? Ukuthi yena akazifileli ipity.
No, that's true.
Then he would say, akudala ngimbona vele ukuthi uyangifona. Yabona, ngiyabona ufuna ngibe unumber 9 ngoba phela bayi8 labantu. Uyabona? So abantu abafana naye nabantu abarecognize imisebenzi esiyenzayo, it's a lot. To the point ukuthi njengoba ngisho ngithi ngiyaphithizela mina mangikhona endaweni angeke uhlala ungangiboni. Abanye baze basho ukuthi oh okay, ufake ikwayikwayi.
Yeah.
Bakhuluma bebodwa ngithi baqhubana bebodwa ukuthi nizombona.
Yeah.
Angizosukuma.
Yeah.
Maybe ungi-invite to become a judge. Angisese i-judge.
Yeah.
Sengu MC. Angisese u-MC manje. Like
Yeah.
sengise toilet ungithola ngiclean toilet because ngiyabona ukuthi lingcolile. We understand? From kwikwayikwayi ngizofaka iphaca or ngifake iteki. Ngibona ukuthi nalo ziyangidisturb manje le flat shoe.
Yeah.
Ngizohamba ngeenyawo.
Yeah.
People will say that's how we know you.
Yeah.
Ngize ngisho ngithi that's how you should celebrate me when I'm normal. Ningathi hey bekelungile. No.
Yeah.
Yes ngiyalunga makufika isikhathi sokulunga,
Yeah.
but mangisendaweni let me do whatever that I'm doing. And uma sinama event ngithanda nempempe.
Okay.
Hayi ngiyayishaya impempe. Hayi ngiyayishaya impempe. Ungithole ngixhumaxhuma. Ngithanda nokucula. Ngithole ngixhumaxhuma. And you can see ukuthi this thing igimi.
Yeah.
And no one ongayithatha.
Yeah.
We understand.
Yeah.
No one like ongayithatha. So I don't like.
Yeah.
I love what I see in me. I became this person ukuthi God ngiyabonga ukuthi kulento engangiyiyo. You changed me. Angisiblompoti empty now. Ngiyiblompoti enama flowers inside. Ethi umuntu make ngena ade le blompoti bona le blompoti inhle kanjani. Yabona? Ayimanje saqala ngeblompoti before uzobona ama flowers. So attractwe iblompoti.
Iblompoti, yeah.
Mawuthi ubheka lama flowers uthi uJesu awasemahle lama flowers. But awazi ukuthi lama flowers aqale abuna kuqala. Then somebody wafike wawanisela. Ubani owaniselile? uNkulunkulu. Wathi ilife yakho ngizoyithatha ngiyinisele.
Yeah.
I'm not that much of a believer, but I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona because wenze ama miracles ngami. And noma kune challenge engibanayo usese awe mara uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngikhona. if ngibona ngigowisha through this uthini uthi ngicela unginike ukujabula for once in a lifetime ngijabule kungabi khona something ezongidisturb. And ngithi ebantwini, the moment you accept, everything will go well. The more you deny, uyazibambezela.
That's true.
Accepta. Mina ngi-acceptile ukuthi izinto eziningi ngizifundise ngimdala. Izinto eziningi ngizifunde kabuhlungu. But out of lobo buhlungu ngenzeni? Ngibuthathile ngathi this is me. This is what I went through. But when you look at me nalezi zinto engizikhulumile, angazodlala ngathi.
You don't look like what you went through.
Ungazodlala ngathi ungazobhoreka. You understand ngithi why ngizobhoreka, why ngizodlala ngani? Because there are negative comments. Ebekumele ngabe angiwisile but awangiwisanga.
Yeah.
There are negative comments ebekumele ngabe zingkwazile but azinkwazanga. Not everyone will listen to my story. Not everyone will support me. As much as bashilo ukuthi hayi soka wawufuna ukudliwa vele wadliwa. So why are you telling us this? Uyayibona njalo. So a person makezo share istory sakhe needs to be strong. Inside and outside.
And outside, yeah.
There's a saying engizwile izolo just watching a movie. Say you have to be strong inside before you be strong outside. A movie yamasoja. Now angithi nabo they are going through ama trauma and what. So this umuntu obatrainayo uthi set yourself
Inside.
Make yourself strong before uzophuma uyophatha isibhamu uzodubula umuntu or before kuzodutshulwa labo hamba nabo because khona umuntu abangamdubula ehamba nawo ubona ikhanda lisekho leyo seyikushiya netrauma. So you need to prepare yourself inside and outside. And I was like, yo sengiyayitshontsha leya seyile it's going to work for me. I understand. As much as my motto, change the changeable and forget about the unchangeable.
Exactly. Someone said, Uti, the beauty of an onion is in its core. Only when you start to peel back the layers will you discover the potency of the thing you have in your hand. And I'm happy in that regard because you are peeling back the layers and you have found the child in you. That one who was robbed of her youth, she's back now because she's able to say, "Anginandaba mina, zohamba ngeenyawo." And it's that element of keeping that child alive that gives us continuous renewal. The moment the children within us die, then we're old. Then we are rotten potatoes. Then we are old onions that have not even been peeled. So I'm happy that you have found the child in you and you're embracing them. And I hope you can continue helping other people so that they can also find the children in them. I love playing with my daughter. I love playing with children because they remind me of what it means to completely break loose and just enjoy the moment. So that's why I always talk about children. And I want to also urge you to keep peeling back the layers. Keep peeling the layers because you don't know if you've reached your potency. That's the only difference between you and an onion because the onion, by the time you figure to the center, uyazi ukuthi asengifikile. Mengakhalanga manje ngeke ngiphinde ngikhale. But I feel because of the episodes that you're speaking about, you need to keep peeling the layers and get to the core so that your true potency can shine. You're born. And you've actually raised my awareness as well to actually say, Gucci, there are layers to us as human beings. From the moment you are born, layers start building. Subconsciously, they start building. By the time you realize what's happening, the real you is so far deep, such that what we see is a shell. Yeah. And it's that autopilot that's been running the plane because the pilot is not in the seat. So I think, thank you for raising us to that level of awareness, which there are layers within us, and we need to keep peeling them. My mentor keeps having episodes with their counsel. They've got a counselor, therapist, I don't know, but they keep having, you know, that engagement with them because they are peeling. And every time you go through something difficult, it's very important to rationalize it by talking about it. Because ezinye izinto awuzivakasheli mungakhulumi ngazo.
Yes.
And ungavakashi kwakho akusho ukuthi lento le obuhlangane nayo ayikho. Ikhona. It's just that wena awuyivakasheli.
It's there.
Uyabona? Sofika isikhathi la kuzogcwala khona la ihleli khona. Zizofuna ukuphuma ke zonke.
The closet.
Uyabona?
Uloku uyafaka.
Uyafaka wena.
Uzuyaphusha nangomzimba ukuthi
But yeah, all right, ngigrand bafethu ningawari. Kanti that silence is a sign to say ukuthi there's a build up, and when it pops like a pimple, people will be shocked ukuthi kanti umzala zigiba ngathi azithi. So I think that's something that can happen to anyone, like lento enzakala kuwe when you heard the episode. It can happen literally to anyone who keeps bottling up things. So let's talk, let's open up, and let's try and see if we can connect. I think without wasting time, tell them again where they can find you. Bangazongifuna ama-phone number la. Ayi bayahlupha labantu.
Okay, my numbers it's 078 412 9036 078 412 9036. You can call, you can WhatsApp. Then we Facebook uNomkhosi Msomi Indlovukazi. Yeah. And it's a pleasure for me to be here, and I like to thank each and everyone abang inboxile because ngingabatshela ngathi I'm going for episode 2 with you guys. Ngizofike nginibonge, and whoever wishes to talk to me, I'm always here, and each and every day mawuvukile, just say thank you, God. I mean, I always do that. Yo, there is still a purpose. There is still a purpose. Shuthi kunalento ekumele ngiyenze, and I'm still going to do that. Yeah, I'm still going to do that. And thank you from Guinea, guys, for doing umsebenzi omuhle so, and for giving me the opportunity again to come back. And thank you to each and everyone who supported me. Nalaba engibatholayo manje abasha ukuthi, you know what, big up to you. Let's make umhlaba wethu a better place. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, and I love everyone.
Yeah. Peace.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I love everyone.
Siyabonga. We also thank you for taking your time and investing it here, because it's not an easy thing to give people your time. I take it from me, I know ukuthi umuntu angibize ngithi ngiyayimisa yonke into yami ngiyalapha, and manje mohleli la ifone ayisebenzi, you are not accessible, and it's really just you going off the grid to share a big piece of yourself. So we really thank you. And guys, if you want to talk to someone, if you need a shoulder to cry on, sininigile namhlanje. You have someone to call, you have someone to talk to. Hey, my shoulders are masculine, guys. So sometimes you will want to, lean on these ones. I found you a nice shoulder to lean on, so you can always contact to see if you need to vent or introspect on whatever you're going through. Reach out to her, tell her what you're going through. She's there to listen and help you get through it. Guys, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate everyone in the studio, the full community. I appreciate you all, because abanye bazozabakhale bathi hayi mina usho ngokuthi appreciate nonke, all of you. So and for all the things that you are doing to make this platform the way it is. Don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe and promote, guys. Not the full episode though, but promote. If you want to share the reels, do that. But yeah, also connect people to where the content comes from. We really appreciate and love you. If you want to sit here with me, 9 number, guys. Just reach out, DM us, contact us, come sit with me, tell the world what you've been through, what you have learned. This is a living record of your experiences. Many of you can't write books. I'm not judging you, but it's sometimes impossible with the schedules that we have. This is the closest thing you have to that you can share your story. People will be able to reflect and look at your story and, introspect long after you're gone. I think without wasting time, I'd like to thank you. Thank you to our beautiful guest. Thank you to the team in studio, and thank you to you guys who keep supporting us. Also, Asbongum Dali for keeping us and giving us another opportunity to do this episode. From me and the team in studio, it's bye for now.